Looking for a practical, spacious and fuel-efficient family car? The Maruti Suzuki Ertiga has become one of the most popular MPVs in its segment, offering comfort, reliability, and great value for money. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Ertiga such a favorite among families. Exterior design. The Maruti Suzuki Ertiga features a modern and elegant design with a bold front grille, sleek LED projector headlamps, stylish alloy wheels, and chrome accents that give it a premium appearance. Its balanced proportions make it look both sophisticated and practical for daily use. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious cabin with seating for up to 7 passengers. The dual-tone dashboard, comfortable seats, automatic climate control, rear AC vents, and ample legroom make long journeys enjoyable. The flexible third-row seats can also be folded to create additional luggage space when needed. Engine and performance. The Ertiga is powered by a refined 1.5-liter petrol engine with smart hybrid technology, delivering smooth performance and impressive fuel efficiency. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. Features and safety. The MPV comes equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering-mounted controls, cruise control, push-button start, and connected car features in higher variants. On the safety front, it offers multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, ESP, hill hold assist, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and a rear parking camera. Mileage and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the Ertiga is its excellent fuel economy, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Its low maintenance costs, widespread service network, and dependable reliability further enhance its appeal. Pros and cons. The Ertiga stands out for its spacious cabin, comfortable ride, excellent mileage, and affordable ownership costs. However, the third row is best suited for children or shorter trips, and enthusiasts looking for sporty performance may find the engine tuned more for efficiency than excitement. Verdict. If you're searching for a dependable, feature-rich and budget-friendly 7-seater, the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga remains one of the best choices in its category. It strikes an excellent balance between comfort, practicality and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal companion for both daily drives and family road trips. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.